Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Movement Mortgage account. So open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to google.com, and in the Google bar, search for Movement Mortgage. Now you can see this link and you can see the login option. Just go ahead and hit this link over here. Now it will lead you to the sign in to your account page. Go ahead and write down your email and your password and hit the sign in button. And if you have trouble in signing in, go ahead and tap this trouble in signing in. And you can enter your email and click on send mail. After this, Movement Mortgage will send a mail to your email to verify your mail, and then you can change your password or your email accordingly. So this was a video on how you can log into your Movement Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.